Hey, I'm Faye. I want you to know more about AirVantage. We're here to show you just what you can expect whenever you call John at AirVantage for your air conditioning and heating repairs and new installs. Check out what our customers have to say. Call John at AirVantage today, 409-925-6171 for fast, knowledgeable HVAC service. And if you are a first-time customer, we'll take $10 off your first service call. Call AirVantage now, 409-925-6171, service in League City, Webster, Clear Lake, and Friendswood, Pearland.